Hello everyone, my name is Jodie Pradhan and I live in Kingston. It's been a very great experience to be a part of these driving lessons. I'm very grateful that they have given us this opportunity to learn something which really makes us feel independent. Thank you to all these Citywide church members for donating for the free driving lessons. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much once again.
Hello, my name is Sonia Shrestha, and I live in Newtown. Through many of my friends, I've heard about Hobart Nepali Church and their free driving lessons. So I've enrolled into one of them, and I have done about 10 lessons, and it has been a really good experience. I've developed my confidence and learned about road rules, so it has given me a lot of confidence to drive safely, and the staffs are very friendly, and I would like to thank everyone who are part of this free driving lesson from the bottom of my heart for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
This is Lolita. I have been learning free driving lessons from Hobart Nepali Church, and day by day I have been improving my driving skills. I have built up my confidence level as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Anandasan,
Hi everyone, my name is Daya Sinwar.
and it's been more than 1 year we are here living in Hobart, and we are very thankful that we got this opportunity of driving lessons from Hobart Nepali Church, and we would like to thank all of our trainer and for the donation from the Hobart Nepali Church as well as Citywide Baptist Church. Thank you.
Thank you.